Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're heading down to Blake's barn again, and we are going to put the tranny back in Matt's truck, and we're also going to put his head back on. So kind of boring on your guys' end. Hopefully we can make the video somewhat entertaining for you, but pretty fun on our end because there's a lot of new parts and stuff that we've never used before going on that truck. So it's something I've been looking forward to doing. You guys gotta bear with me for a little bit with all the boring working on stuff content. As soon as we're able to get our trucks out, I promise you guys we're gonna have some awesome content for you. We have a lot going on this summer, but unfortunately we live in New York and not driving our trucks in the salt, because if we drove our trucks in the salt they wouldn't look like they did. So but that's that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get down there and start working on that. All right guys, we're over here at Blake's barn again. We're working on getting everything prepped to go ahead and put Matt's tranny in. We're in there, we're not gonna be talking too much because we do have the kerosene heater going, which I'm sure you can hear in the background. So it's gonna make it super hard for you guys to hear what we're saying, but here we go. Go underneath real quick and we're going to show you guys how this crossmember plate bolts up to your frame. Alright, we got both brackets bolted up. Real quick, we're just going to show you how easy it is to pop this thing in.
That's it. You got a little bit of adjustability side to side, so that's going to be minty.
Pop them bolts out. Just to show. I didn't see you put them in. And yeah, it's freaking mint. So instead of like 10 bolts, you only have 2. And you don't have any problems with it getting stuck in there because it gets squished between the frame rails. So it's okay guys, real quick. Not gonna video everything in here, but I just want to show you a couple key things. Whenever you guys put a new converter and you get it set in there all the way, you'll know you're engaged all the way, and you can hear this sound when you spin it back and forth. When you hear that clicking noise, you know that your torque converter is engaged to your transmission pump. Tranny's all bolted up. Blake and Matt are up there working on getting the converter bolts in, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this transfer case on. Alright, we got the torque converter bolted up. Now we got to get the trans mount bolted on here, and we can try out that new Crossmember. Whoa. Alright, not the best lighting or angle down here, but hopefully you guys can get the gist of what's going on. Geez, that's a huge socket. This thing's no joke. Look at that, you guys. Jeez. What is that? That's a 22 mil. That is not screwing around right there. Go. Woohoo! Matt looks excited, as usual. That's awesome. Who makes this thing?
Maverick Diesel.
Alright, well freaking shout out to Maverick Diesel for making that minty piece, because that is sick. We love that, we approve. That's awesome. Highly recommend that, guys. Freaking head over to Maverick Diesel. If you got a second gen, pick up one of these bad boys. What was it? 200 something?
Yeah, it's just about right around 300 bucks.
Yeah, so somewhere between 250 and 300 bucks, you can pick yourself up one of these, and you can save yourself lots of swear words under the truck, because that is freaking beautiful. We're gonna put the vacuum pump in, tap the cover on. It's got a wiring harness that he reloomed. We're gonna put back in here. We're gonna get all this stuff done first before we put the hat on, because this way the intake shelf's not in the way of getting all that. And we're gonna come over, get the head cleaned up really good, check it for straightness, and then we're going to bottom tap all these holes out before we throw studs in it. Then we also have Blake over here working on changing the tail shaft out in his tranny to a 2-wheel drive. That one looks pretty dirty. Put it in high gear though, so just careful with it. Yeah, it doesn't rip it out of my hands as bad. Alright, we got everything all bottom tapped. We're gonna go ahead and throw the tappet cover on real quick. What's really nice about these guys is you can see the holes in here. It's actually like a secondary breather versus something else you could buy, like maybe one on the valve cover or something like that. And then you have just a hose that comes right out the side. And they make you look freaking sick. So if you want to be the coolest freaking kid at the truck meet, gotta have a billet tappet cover. Unreal.
Nobody builds it.
Dude, you have to be billet, otherwise you're not even fast. We got our tappet cover on. We're gonna start throwing this wiring harness in. We're trying to show you this, guys. Show you guys this stuff quick. It's actually called DEI Loom. DEI Loom. That's the company.
I believe so. Right, Blake?
Pretty nice stuff. You guys are reluming your harnesses much better than the plastic stuff. Comes with a special tape that goes with it. Seal up the ends good, but makes the harness look really good. But throw that thing on, then we're almost ready to get our head done. Such good times. Okay, so got Matt over here wrestling with a few little things. We got our table all staged, ready to go. Got the head with the matte and valve springs. Got all the tools laid out that we're gonna need. Got the ARP 625s. Got Hamilton extreme duty push rods. We got our firing gasket back here, sitting ready to go. Trust me, this table's freaking clean, okay? It may not look like it, but she's been around a while. She's clean. It's just a few thousand coats of paint in there. But we're ready to go. Right, Matt?
Someday.
We're ready to go. Alright, so anyways, right now we're getting everything wiped down with alcohol, getting both surfaces nice and dry. Make sure there's no oil or any Durbis sticking up. And we're gonna slap this puppy on there and start getting her squished down. Hell yeah.
Almost choked. Almost said hell yeah, bro.
Don't say that! TM. That's the sound of your exhaust gases coming out of their fire rings. Bear with me. Anyway, just want to show you guys what the firing head gasket actually looks like real quick. So normally on a head gasket, you would have basically a flat crush washer in here. That's basically the same size as this steel ring. But with these gaskets, they cut that out. And this actually becomes your sealing ring. And what happens is when that gets hot, it crushes in and it mushrooms outwards, and there's grooves on the head that this thing seats into, making sure that the ring can't get pushed out. Where there's endless money, you want to have your firings cut in the block and the head for best results, but you can do them just in the head as well. Alright, how's this guy?
What's the bolt roll it?
I think it goes that way.
No. Scrap it. Holes don't move. Why did it sound so hollow when it went down? Yeah.
It's filled block, so they're recording stuff. So you just set your gasket in there, and you stick your rings in there, and they'll kind of sit in there in that little pocket. There's a million different ways to do this, so if you do it a different way, don't comment because I don't want to know it, because I don't care.
Wow.
But this is just the way that I've done it, I had good luck with, so. Set them on there, and then you get your head lined up. You want to try not to slide the head on at all when you do this, because you have your dowel sticking up and it'll scratch it. So get it right above your dowels and set it on there and wiggle a little bit, it should drop right down. But yeah, get this thing on. Alright, head's on. And we're gonna go over here and we're gonna start getting all our studs and everything ready. We're gonna try to do this cool kid way that's seen on the Googles. Where she's like, you don't touch each other. You guys do these studs too. There are 6 of them in there for a 24 level that are a different length. They're very close though, so you gotta make sure you get the right ones. And those go along the exhaust side of the head. Alright, ready for that? Get close on this. Epically fails, all the studs fall off the table.
Oh, look at that.
I'll do her. Real quick, we got the studs all in, they're all lubed up. You guys set the stuff up, you gotta lube both sides of the washer. You also gotta lube the bottom of the nuts. Easiest way to do this is just to smear some out on the cardboard and move it around in there a little bit. Make sure you get enough underneath it. You get that, you can just get it all over your fingers and then rub your fingers on both sides of the washer. But just make sure you got enough on there. Can I get a beef quesarito with no spicy chipotle?
What else can I get for you?
Can I get a chicken quesadilla with no spicy whatever's on that?
Okay.
And then can I get a loaded potato griller?
Oh my god.
Fine, dude. And did you get a drink?
Yeah, I got Baja Blast.
And then can I get a large Baja Blast with no ice?
See here.
What else can I get for you?
That's it.
Should be it.
Any sauces?
Sauces? No, thank you.
I already said I didn't want any sauce on my other
27,
food.
21.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, guys. We just got done thrashing on Matt's freaking second gen.
Thrash.
But yeah, we're pretty much done with that for the time being. We're gonna go back and do one more retorque on it, and that's pretty much all we can do until we get some parts for mounting the pump and stuff. Can't do anything with turbo yet because we're waiting on a Manny. Steed speed's on back order as usual, so there's that. So if you guys ever want a Steed speed, make sure you pre-order like 6 months in advance. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like so YouTube knows that we're doing our job and giving you guys good content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then do so, because you don't want to miss any of the sick action that's going to be coming to you soon. Hopefully. Once we stop getting all this crap. But anyway, that's all for today. So